finish? Like this too. Hello, Mama. Like this. You have to do like that. Use the other side. Like this, oh. Turn around and just do it properly. Like this, oh. Look, Mama.
What's this here, Mom? What's this?
Did you do it properly, the other one?
I need to do fluffy this.
Okay.
Don't do fluffy. I do fluffy myself.
Okay. Did you enjoy helping Mama?
Yes, I helping.
Oh, are you a good boy?
Oh yeah, I helping.
Oh, that's double. Take the other one. This one. Do the other side. Outside. Like this outside. Outside?
Out. I'm going out.
Yeah.
I'm go here. I'm here. Wait, here, Mom. Show this.
Yeah. Okay. It's okay.
Put soap on.
You put soap on?
You help me put this. Okay? Here, Mom.
Eh?
Here.
You want me to do that? Okay.
Here, Mom. Do it.
Oh, you just clean the cups. Yeah.
Okay.
When you finish wash the plates, we're gonna have a bath, okay? Okay.
Yes, I do it this.
Okay. I'll do the bigger one, okay? And the sharps of the wood, okay? This is how we wash the plates when we don't have no sink before.
Yeah, I don't know.
you don't know. Okay, you don't know.
I need to go tell you.
Right?
You could tell you, okay?
There's a bubble?
No.
What? There's a...
I'm going to watch this. I'm going to watch this baby.
No, it's okay. I'll do it. No, that's already done. Just just wash that one.
Here.
That's why I try to teach you to wash the plate. Okay? Scotty, you helping Mama wash the plate? Is that done?
Not done yet.
Okay. Oh, what about this one? Oh!
Here, Mom.
Okay.
Help me.
That's heavy. No, you can have that. I'll use this one.
This, Mom. And this.
Are you hungry?
Enough.
Huh? You're not hungry?
Enough.
Okay.
I need to put this. Sorry.
You good?